When you've got your unit installed, you need to do the final setup. So you need to decide whether you want the cabinet as a locked cabinet or as an unlocked cabinet. We have ours here as a locked cabinet, and then people can get the access through the emergency services. But you have the choice with the unit. So what you can do is open it up, enter your code. Once the unit is up, then you've got the set button here. And if you just follow the instructions on the unit, it will tell you exactly how to set it up to turn it into unlocked mode or locked mode. If you have it in unlocked mode, obviously you don't want these keys showing here. So it comes with a sticker which goes over them, and it's a recess on the back, so it won't cause any problems with the buttons there. And you can literally put that on, so then it just says push it to open it. So that's the easy way of changing it. If you want to switch it back to locked mode, take it away, and it comes with another set of stickers that you can put over the top to show the numbers on there. And finally, at this point, it's always a good idea just to check the defibrillator is fully in the cabinet. Now this strap here, this velcro strap, will hold your defibrillator in place. If it doesn't hold in properly, you'll come up with an error message on here, and it may be that the defibrillator is actually pushing against the lock. So all you need to do is push it down, you'll hear the buzz, the light goes green, and it's fine. If there was a problem and the defibrillator was too far forward, you'll get the beeping, the door will flip open again, and you'll get the error message on there. If you have any problems or get error messages up, on the bottom of the instructions are the error messages and what they actually mean. Try that first, see if you can fix the problem, and if you have any of them problems afterwards, contact us or the manufacturer.